that year it happened that we washed the feet of the zonal leaders. By then, Ebuka was one of the zonal leaders from Lagos Adoration Zone. He appears to be one of the people whose feet were washed. Nobody brought him out to wash his feet and transfer them. And what we did, it was a ceremony of Jesus exhibiting his humility. Ebuka himself, I love him. And funny on a man had a man based on young. I love him. Even when I came back from the monastery, I called and called and called him. He never picked my call.
Yes, Ebuka cannot pick your call now. Ebuka Obi cannot pick your call because why would Ebuka pick your call? You don't spoil business for him now. Yes, you see, now, if Ebuka could not pick Father Mbaka's call and Ebuka could not pick Okunerere's call, is it me that Ebuka will pick his call? Yes, what Ebuka does is to use people. Even Mbaka is still saying, I love Ebuka. Me too, I love Ebuka, but is living in sin. Rebellion is sin. Rebellion against the Catholic Church is sin. And again, Mbaka should also be careful. Mbaka should also be careful because Ebuka is not working alone. Ebuka is working with a Satan right now. So the best thing Father Mbaka will do for Ebuka Obi is to invite him for exorcism. That is serious deliverance because Ebuka Obi is already possessed with devil. Then, you know, I'm saying, I know I'm just saying it for saying so because I know he will not call me. He will not even pick my call. I don't even have his phone number. And I don't know anyone who have his phone number. I'm just saying, Ebuka should reach me. Ebuka Obi should contact me. So that let me talk to him face to face. And let him know the canon laws is breaking. The system of the Catholic Church is breaking. But if he says he's no more a Catholic, let him come out publicly and say he's no more a Catholic. Are you to me? So, this is, I blame Mbaka a bit. I blame Mbaka a bit for the son of Ebuka. One of the reasons I am blaming for the Mbaka for the son of Ebuka was that Mbaka delayed. It took Mbaka many years to tell the world that Ebuka is not working on the right track. On the right track. Because if Mbaka have done something necessary, if Mbaka have done what he should have done, if Mbaka has spoken out now, as he did maybe last 3, 4, 5 years ago, maybe Ebuka would not have deceived many souls by now. Now, if Mbaka started speaking now, they say Mbaka is even Ebuka. But no, it's not true. Ebuka broke many canon laws. Ebuka is not following the teachings of the Catholic Church. There's the rules and regulation that concern association. There is what is called association. There is what is called chaplaincy. There what is called cemetery. There what is called shrine. There what is called church. There what is called parish. There what is called cathedral. There what is called Vatican. That is Holy See. Holy See. Are you with me? Where the Pope stays. So you know that's the hierarchy. So Mbaka, thank you for speaking out now, but you spoke out very, very late. Very, very late. You start speaking out very late. So if Ebuka will listen to you, I demand that Ebuka should go for deliverance. Ebuka should go for deliverance. And not only Mbaka will conduct that deliverance. You will invite Father Naj of Upper Room to be involved in that deliverance. Because Ebuka is no more working with. Well, okay, please share this video. Invite Ebuka to talk to me from now till Good Friday. That Good Friday 2026. Good Friday 2026. So once you get Ebuka's number, I want to speak with him. After Good Friday 2026, then I will no longer look for Ebuka's number to talk to him. Peace to you.